So welcome to another video, and today I'm doing a weight reduction on the Pwnage Symm2. This is the Viper Mini basically, but a wireless version. It's also coming down on this weight reduction to 50 grams, which is insane from 76 grams. This is also made for PWR Looter. That's who's using this. He's a Fortnite pro, and this is what he does. Not as much as we were expecting though. Less than a gram to be fair. It's pretty well optimized already, that. So, well, we can leave out the RGB, I guess. So what we'll leave out is on the left hand side. So RGB can stay out. The label can stay out. Power button can stay out. Battery tape can stay out, actual battery cover can stay out, I guess. RGB can stay out. And that's probably it for the minute. So the first mod's going to be non-destructive, right? So this is what will be, say, put it back together without destroying it. If you want to take out as much weight as you can, you're not going to get much out of it, maybe 2 grams there. You're going to have to change the battery. So then we'll do a battery one, and then we'll do a full weight reduction, but there's not going to be much to take off here. Screw wise, I'd probably just put one in the front bit here. Just like little hooks at the front here. A little bit tricky to get back in, I think. A bit of a shove from the rear. Anything else? No, we're good, finally. My case, that was hard work. So the battery doesn't need, there's maybe a fraction of a wall, but you can see it's been like held in there. It's not bad. About 3 or 4 grams come off it there. A bit more than I thought we were going to get. Default battery, 580 milliamp, 3.7 volt. Just like a 1.25 JS2. And then we've got a 200 milliamp and a 150 milliamp. We've got the same connector on it now. So look at the stock one's about 11.5. 11. 200 milliamp, which might be the one to go for if you want a bit longer battery life, and 150 milliamp. Put it back together. $59 grams. Oh, hang on. Whoa. Get too excited. We'll get the skates on. 61 grams, it's pretty good. Right, so let's do a more destructive mod now. I'm going to even lighter, 62. Without damaging it, it's not bad. That's 10 grams off. So we just got to clip off these 2 bits here. This is the basically the permanent reduction. There's a gram off it. Just over. We'll take a bit. Actually, I'll take off the pillar as well for the RGB. Jack, really? PCB. Let's do the rear. This skeleton next. Is this clip enough? 2 magnets on the top here. Is the clip enough to hold the buttons down? I reckon it is, you know. Which means we can sacrifice the magnets. I guess I'll find out for everyone. checking fit. You need to take a gram off it. That looks like you get both of those off. If you damage this part though, we're in trouble. And we've got to be careful on the underside of this side because of the pillar for the side buttons. Like that, just under a gram. It's not bad. Suspicion's alright. Still going to hold. The rear one though, you've got the magnets that are going to touch these, and there's no clips you can see here. They're just like slots in, and then the magnets put it down. So I'm probably going to remove one magnet because it'll need two. It'll need one at least to hold this rear plate on. You could glue it. I might maybe I'll just get a little bit of glue on the back. Maybe could do that, I guess. For me, I think this is going to be better to drill it off. Didn't realise you can just ping the logo out. Look at that. Drill time. I'm just trying to work out if I can trim some off this side bit. Pretty much going to take out it for now, so you can see what's happening. I've still got side buttons in actually, just realised. So let's put them in. I think it was like 15 grams, so that's quite a bit. Now I'm going to cut these little bits off. I took half a gram out of the back of it, I reckon. Find the other bits I've chopped off. Just under. Close. Be careful there, not to damage the rear panel. Taking this bit off, it's getting a little bit marked, so take it a bit easier. So what this looks like now, is it 4.7 grams? Which trimmed out, I reckon. I'm going for 50 grams on this. Took about half a gram out of it, maybe. It's the same with these switches now. All the buttons, we don't need these parts because we trimmed out a bit, so we can work out here. See what we can take out. This is all taken out here. We have definitely trimmed out some of that. The last bit is the base. And this is pretty well optimized from Pwnage or whoever makes their mouse. We go for the stock look as well. Now, we want to keep some of these, but we can definitely trim out some of this. So I'd keep these screw mounts on these front posts here. The rest probably can come out. Okay. Put my hands in so you can see it. So I've taken out the screw mounts as well at the bottom because we don't use them. Purely clip based. Got a head right in front of my face. I'm going 50 grams on this. There's no way this ain't going to be 50 grams. That was 11, 12 grams. So what we've taken out and what we got left. There we go then. This is the Pwnage. Get your weights in. I'm going 50 grams. It's probably a little bit heavier, I reckon, if I'm honest. But I'm hopeful. See the skates lifting up on the centre circle already. You want to look at modded mice? I don't know. No worries, man. It's all about the butchering. 50 grams. I was bang on, boys. Boom.